Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best bathroom scales Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is RENPHO Bluetooth Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. The intelligent digital scales RENPHO Bluetooth is our first choice available scales today. More than a quarter of bathroom scales remember his youth, which has a variety of interests that the mark identifies as an excellent choice for the home. With it you can transform your fitness using RENPHO application monitoring, among others, consistent results to ensure and easy to see the progress that 13 of the modern world. It is expected to track metrics that make such a lot of trouble sounds, but it is easy to set up straight out of the box and requires only Bluetooth for synchronization enabled and plugged so you can start. Fast reading is always an advantage, even if he is not always happy with the results, and the LCD display is clear, useful for the tumbles after a night back home to read from the bar all buffet to eat, because we all have a little masochistic sometimes. Because it works with multiple users, it is the perfect bathroom scale for men and women, but you must resynchronize after each use to ensure that it does not ruin information from each. But this is a small problem that will only hit a few times before you make sure that you never make such an error again. It's cheap, it is versatile and extremely functional, it is ideal for anyone serious about their weight and monitoring fitness. Number 2. Our second best pick is Etekcity Digital Body Weight Bathroom Scale. The Bathroom Scale Digital Etekcity Body Weight is a simple installation with scales ideal weight for couples or singles who want to just be something to keep your weight and nothing else. They come in a large, reasonable price and durability guarantee years of use. With 4 high-precision sensors that are reliable and accurate and automatic calibration, it allows them to be used right out of the box, without having to configure up to stay in the loop, but also a low battery indicator, and the warning should be a little too close to the weight overhead. Indeed, with a maximum resistance of 400 pounds, it is unlikely that approach so, unless you think of the undisputed heavyweight of becoming champion of the world. Even then, it is believed that he would have difficulty getting heavy. They are also lightweight and have a sleek design for easy storage and placement. However, this design has some disadvantages, and while they are durable, this is only if you do not knock, and glass does not feel as hard as others, so much so that a slight decrease could make it break. For this reason, it may not be ideal for those with small, curious children to explore the house. Still so cheap that it is not interesting money for a replacement to spend, and is so simple, than any other scale not hassle. Number 3. Our third best pick is FITINDEX Smart Wireless Digital Bathroom Scale. While it's not the cheapest of the best scale, Intelligent FITINDEX Wireless Digital Bathroom Scale is still the best value in our selection. Less than $30, more than comparably priced options, and gives reliable and easy to organize the basis of suitability for monitoring needs. You are synchronized to the fitness application FITINDEX Lite and the like of the RENPHO. It is pursuing a variety of metrics to ensure that you are in complete control of their progress. These include lean body weight, skeletal muscle, proteins, muscle mass, and the weight of water, among others. Is that the case knowing some of these media, which is fine, because then it is very likely that they are obsessed with them. It is perfect for multiple users with their fitness levels to follow. One is great addition to the family, and compact design ensures it does party his foot finger on it when a trip to bathe at night to take, as it will be, drink plenty of water before. However, this compact size also means that it is possible to be a little too small for large feet. We'll suppose this is not, however, the agreement breaks down the majority of you, regardless of the size of the foot, and advantages of this in your bathroom involvement outweigh the disadvantages. While it is more advanced than other options, it is intuitive and easy to use, and that is to ask all you can. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EatSmart Precision Plus Digital Bathroom Scale. Our choice is the premium scales EatSmart Precision Plus Digital, which is an elegant and stylish way to fit comfortably in the modern home. It provides automatic readings once you are on the scales, and these are easy to read with a digital display. Ready for use outside the box, always it comes with batteries as adopted, and it is a comfortable switching on and off function that saves battery life to ensure longevity. Provides longer such garments permanent platform, provided it is not thrown around in transit, while accurate sensors ensure accurate readings every time. For those who are sick, submit your weight in less than 15 minutes, saving time and stress, especially if you have to fight for a goal. However, for the price, you would probably expect a little more of it, and despite being expensive, no Bluetooth connection has or connectivity at all. Technology us, this means that it probably not worth the money, but if you're looking for a gift for anyone it is not concerned about their weight and fitness monitoring, which is the best money can buy scale, making it suitable for parents, grandparents would be perfect, or outside the network wants friends. If you use a combination of style and reliability, it is unlikely that a bathroom scale will be found that comes anywhere near it and gives you the opportunity to use your phone for 5 wegzug minutes. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Ozeri Rev Electro-Mechanical Bathroom Scale. Classic and modern combines the Ozeri Rev electro-mechanical bathroom scales for those who like the style of the past, ignoring what this will allow us to use. This striking design is reminiscent of the 50s muscle cars, dinners and rock and roll, and used both analog and digital to provide traditional and electronic all scales calibrated in one. It delivered automatic accuracy, the first step when the fact LBS in increments of 0.1 increased the reliability. There is also a great platform with more credibility to this precision, where heel's not always the edge that will make your weight may look better than I thought, but not accurately. While analogy completely mixing and digital is a beautiful combination, there are some problems with accuracy, and they can sometimes not fully correspond. This makes it difficult to know which is best suited for trust and can take a few step-ons and offs to find out what weight. Still correct, however, it is resistant, and is cool. It does not come with all the sweet properties of advanced models, but with a unique design that is in each bathroom or bedroom and to ask others where I got it from one. Remember, you give us a shout out to point you in the rightmost direction. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.